going to notice how you feel today. Notice your energy level. And now take a moment just to notice what you're thinking about. So notice what's on your mind. Are you thinking about the past? Are you worrying about the future? So we're just noticing. And then see if you can take all those thoughts, and we're going to take them out and put them in a little imaginary box right beside us that we can come back to after class. So we're relaxing the mind. And now we'll do our body scan. So starting at your toes, we're going to scan up the body all the way to the top of the head. And I want you to stop on any place in the body where you feel any discomfort, any pain. You're going to stop there and you're going to breathe into that part of the body. Hold the breath for a moment and visualize healing light and energy surrounding this part of the body. And then when you exhale, visualize any pain or discomfort leaving the body. So keep working your way up to the top of the head. And when you're done with your scan, you can keep your eyes closed, place your hands on your belly, and we're just going to start to deepen the breath. So when we inhale, we're going to expand the belly. Pretend there's a balloon deep down in your belly. You're expanding on the inhale. On the exhale, we're going to bring the belly back in towards the spine. So big inhale, expand the belly. Exhale, belly comes back in towards the spine. Keep breathing. Good, then relax the breath for a moment and just sit. Good. So for the first part of class, we're going to do a deep breathing exercise, and we're going to do deep breathing through the entire class. We're going to be oxygenating the blood and bringing more prana and life force energy into the body. And then we'll do some gentle stretching, increasing the circulation in the body. And this is going to help all of our organs, all of our systems, all of our glands to work more efficiently. And we'll also be doing some exercises and stretching to increase flexibility. So for the breathing exercise today, we're going to check our posture again, make sure you're sitting up nice and tall. You can close your eyes. And we're going to be doing a segmented breath. So instead of breathing smoothly in one motion, we're going to be sniffing, and we're going to inhale for 4 and exhale for 8. So we're wanting our exhalation to be longer than the inhalation. And this is a very calming breath. If the 8 is too much, try 6 counts. The most important part is just to have that exhale longer than the inhale. It's not the number that matters so much. So we're going to sit up nice and tall. So let me show you what it looks like. We're going to inhale, sniffing for 4. And then exhale for 8. And then we start again. Inhale for 4. Exhale for 8. If the 8's too much, try 6. You can inhale for 4, exhale for 6. You can finish your last round and then relax the breath. And then just sit and notice how you feel. So notice the effects. It should be a calming effect. Good. And then when you're ready, you can open your eyes. And we're going to start just moving the heels up and down. So we're alternating heels. We're going to squeeze the calf muscles. So when you're bringing that heel up, squeeze the calf muscle. And then we're going to start to massage the thighs and breathe deeply. So we're moving the legs, increasing the circulation, breathing deeply. Good. Now we're going to reach behind and massage the lower back. And I want you to pretend your nostrils are right here in the lower back and you're breathing into this area. So we're increasing the circulation to the kidneys, to the bladder, breathing deeply. We're still moving the legs. Good. Then bring your hands back to your thighs, massage a little more. Another deep breath. Good. And then just relax for a moment. Good. And now we're going to check our posture again. We want to make sure our back is straight. We're going to extend the right leg. So we're extending and we're going to start to flex and point the foot. So flex and point. Good. Now bring your hand underneath that right knee. We're going to be moving with the breath. Whenever we inhale, we're going to lengthen the leg and the spine. When we exhale, we're going to hug the knee in. Good. Inhale, we lengthen. Exhale, hug the knee. One more. Good. Now this time we're going to keep the knee up and bring the hands around the outside of the knee. We're hugging that knee in a little bit more. Now check and see if your back is straight. If you need to lower the knee a little bit, go ahead and do that. It's more important to have your back straight. And then we're going to circle the foot and breathe deeply. So this is great for digestion. This is something you can do lying in the bed. Good. Reverse your circle. Good. Now we're going to grab the right foot with the left hand and we're going to bring the leg over. And this is our pigeon pose. Now check your knee. If this is uncomfortable for your knee, you can bring the knee up a bit. And you can even cross it lower if you need to. So listen to your body. Always listen to your body over my voice. We're going to have the left hand on the ankle and the right hand's going to cross over. Good. Now we're going to inhale and we're going to lengthen the spine. Pull up a little bit on the leg if you can. If you can't, just lengthen the spine. When we exhale, we release. We're doing 6 deep breaths. Big inhale. And exhale. Uncross the arms. And now we're going to slowly start to bring the chest down towards the leg. Stop wherever you need to. If anything ever hurts, just stop, relax, and breathe. You can always modify the position or you can even visualize yourself doing it. So listen to your body. So we're breathing deeply here, focusing our attention and our breath on that right hip. So we feel that opening in the right hip. Deep breaths. start to come back up. Nice and slow. And then we're going to bring that right foot back down to the floor. And just take a rest. Relax the breath. Close your eyes. So notice any sensations in your body. Start the other leg. So check your posture. Nice straight spine. We're going to extend the left leg now. Flex and point the foot. Always breathing. Good. Now we're going to bring the hands underneath the left leg, underneath the knee. So we're going to inhale. We're lengthening the spine up towards the ceiling and lengthening the leg. Exhale, hug the knee in. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, hug the knee. Good. This time we're leaving the knee in. We're going to wrap the hands around the outside of that knee. Hug the knee in a little more and take a moment to check your posture. So you want a nice straight back. You can lower the knee a bit if you need to. We're going to circle the foot. Breathe deeply. And reverse. Good. Now we're going to grab the left foot with the right hand. We're going to bring the leg over. This is the pigeon pose. Again, notice if you're having any pain in your knee. You can modify this pose. We're going to have the right hand on the ankle and the left hand crosses over the right. 6 deep breaths. We're going to inhale through the nose. We're going to lengthen the spine. Pull up on the leg a bit if you can. If you can't, just lengthen the spine. Exhale, we release. That's 1, 2. Good. Uncross the arms. We're going to leave the leg here. And we're going to start to bring the chest down toward our leg. Stop wherever you need to. And then we're going to start to breathe deeply, focusing our awareness on that left hip. So this is a left hip opener. Breathe into it. Good. Slowly roll back up. Take your time. And then we're going to bring that left foot back onto the floor and take a rest. Rest your hands in your lap. Close your eyes. Relax your breath. Feel your body. Notice any tingling in your hips. Good. Now we're going to move on to our mountain pose.